Hello everyone. In today's class we will study about MS Access. Okay. Here in a search I am typing Access. Okay. And I will just click on this. Okay. And I click on blank database and I will give the name for my database file. Okay. Give as demo database. Okay. And I will click on create. This is how our MS Access window looks. Okay, first we will see the parts of the Access window. This is what? This is the quick access toolbar. Here you will get the commands which are used frequently. Okay, and this is what? This is the office button, and this is the title bar. Okay, here you will get the title. This is what? Demo DB. This is our database file, isn't it? This is the name of our database file, and this is the title bar. We call this as the title bar, and these are what? These are tabs. Okay, this whole thing is what? This whole thing is a ribbon. Here these are tabs. Home tab. Okay, in home tab you will find all these groups. Okay, these all commands are there, and in create tab you will find these commands. Okay, so each tab will be having a set of commands, and this is what? This is the navigation toolbar. We call this as a navigation toolbar. Okay, you can, this is a shutter bar. You can open or close this. Here you can close or you can open. Okay, this is what? This is about the parts of access window. Okay, now we have entered into the window. So as we entered, this is what? This is the default table. This is the table. Okay, this is the table created by the access, and it is a temporary table. Okay, so this name will be temporary unless you save this table. Okay, now we will see the views. Okay, there are two types of views. Okay, now we are in datasheet view. If you want to do any changes for your table, you have to go into the design view. Okay, if you want to enter the records, you have to go into the datasheet view. Now we want to design our table, so I will go into the design view, and it is asking me to give the name for your table. Okay, I will give as employee info table. Okay, and I will click OK, and I will give here employee ID, and I will take it as a auto number. So these are what? These are the data types. Data types means what? What type of data you're going to store in this field. Okay, this is what? This is the employee ID field. If you want to give the number, okay, you can select the number here, or else if you want to give the data type as text, this text will hold both the numbers as well as alphabets. Okay, if you want to store, if you want to give the name as emp 100 like this. Okay, if you want to give like this, you can select this text. Okay, now I will take it as a auto number. Auto number means what? This is the directly controlled by access. Okay, automatically it will display the number for us. And this is, can you see, this is the small key. This is what I have assigned this as a primary key. Primary key means what? It is a unique key, and this will not be, this is the unique key, and no other person will be having this same ID. Okay, this is how you are going to differentiate between the employees. Okay, no other employee will be having the same ID. For example, in bank account Okay, no other person will be having the same account number, isn't it? Each and everyone will be having the different account number. So in the same way, this is what, this is the primary key, this is the employee ID. No other employee will be having the this number. Okay, and next we will take first name. Okay, first name, first name, and I will take it as data type as text. And next I will take last name, last name, text, and address, address I will take it as a text. And next I will take city, this is also text. And state, text, data type, and zip. Okay, this I will take it as a number. Okay, okay, these are the fields I have added in my employee table. If you want, you can add some more fields also. His phone number you can add. Okay, so I have added only so many fields. Now to enter the data, we have to go into the data sheet view. Okay, in order to enter the records, it is asking me to first save the table. I will save. Now we are in data sheet view. Okay, see here. Now we will enter the data here. First name, okay, you can do the adjustment like this. Okay, I have changed the font size. See, when I type the name, the ID has come automatically since I have selected the data type as auto number. Okay, so last name, Rao, address, Gandhinagar, city, okay, state, zip. Okay, in the same way we will enter the second record. Okay, fruit market, Bidar. Okay, see here. if you want to create the drop down for this city and state, okay, how you can do? I will just go into the design view, okay, and in city what I will do, instead of text I will go to the lookup wizard, and here you select second option, that is I will type in the values that I want, okay. Select this option and you just write here, okay, the name of the places, cities, Gulbarga, okay, Bidar, Bijapur, okay, Solhapur, Bombay, okay. Like this you can enter and finish. The same way you can do for this also. Go to the lookup wizard and select the second option, I will type in the values that I want, and you select here state as Karnataka, Karnataka and Maharashtra, okay. How many entries you want, you can add here, okay. Now I will add only these two and click finish, okay. Suppose if you want to do the changes, okay, you can go here, look up, and you just click on this, and if you want to add one more, okay, AP, okay, you can add and you can click OK, so that will be added in your list, okay. This is how you can do the changes. Now we will save this table and we will go into the datasheet view. Now you can see when I start typing, it will show me the drop downs here. It will show me the drop down. From this I can choose my option, okay, like this. Can you see? From this I can choose my options. And next we will do next record. These are what? These each column we call it as a field name, okay. This last name, address, city, state, what we call, these all we call as a field name. And this row, each first row, this Suma row, this is what we call it as a record. So each row give the record of a specific person. This first row will give the details of Suma, okay. We call it as a record. And next third one we will enter, okay. Mark Green City Solapur, and we will enter the zip as, okay, we have entered the zip. Now we will enter will Sneha Pujari Green City, okay, Solhapur, Maharashtra. Select this and we'll write the code, okay. And next record we will enter Sudha Patil, Gandhinagar, Gulbarga, Karnataka, and we'll write 585109. Okay. Okay. We have entered the 5 records here. Okay. In this table, we have entered the 5 records. Okay. I will close the record. See here. You can also create the form. Forms are nothing but where the user can easily enter the records. I will just click on this employee, go to create, and if you create this, click on create this form, the form will be created. Now we are in layout view. We can do the changes, okay, like this. To enter the record, go into the form view, okay. We are now in the form view. Can you see the this is the toolbar. Here you can navigate through the records. This when you click on this, we'll go to the new record. You can enter the records over here. This is this is a user friendly interface, okay, where first name I will enter the name Rahul. Deshmukh. Last name, address, PB Road, okay, city, okay, Gulbarga, state Karnataka, zip I will enter, okay, I will enter. So click on new. So whatever the record I have entered now, that will be stored in this table, okay. Now we will see, just do the refresh all, okay, do refresh all and you open this table. See here, the just now the what I have entered the record, the Rahul Deshmukh PB Road, so that has been reflected in this table, okay. That record is saved in employee information table, okay. You can see, you can navigate through the records. So this is the first record. If you want to see the next record, this is our next record. You just click on this, okay, and this is third record, fourth, okay, fifth record. So this is how you can create the form and save, and I will give the name as employee information form, okay, okay, and I will close this, okay. See here, now we will design the query for this. If go here, in order to create the query, go here, create. I will go to the query wizard and I will select the simple query here, and from this employee table, okay, from this employee table, which all fields you require, you just click on this here. You can click one by one or you can do all like this. If you don't want, you can put back one by one like this. If you want to put all, you can put like this, okay. I want all these fields and I will click next, and I will click next here. Would you like a detail sum? I will click select this one and I will click next, and I will go here. I will modify the query design, okay. See here, suppose if I want to see the details by city, if I want to see the employees from Gulbarga, so I will just type here. Can you see in this, in criteria, okay, in criteria field I will just type Gulbarga, okay, I will just type Gulbarga and I will run the query. Okay, it has displayed me the data, the employees which are from Gulbarga. Okay, can you see? Again, I will go into the design view. Okay, if you want to display the both from Gulbarga and Bijapur. Okay, I have not entered the Bijapur. I will write Bidar. Okay, Bidar data. And when you run the query, it will display both here, Bidar and Gulbarga, isn't it? So this is how you can create the query. Now again, I will go to the design view. Okay. Uh, if you want to see the employees who whose name start with S, I will type here S and I will type star over here. Okay. This will display all the employees whose names start with S. I will run the query. See here. It has displays the employee whose name started with the S. Okay. This is how you can create the query. Okay. Again, I will go in the design view. Okay. See here. You can also enter if you want to display the data on the basis of state. Okay, you can also enter like this. I will, if I want to see the employees from Karnataka, so what I will do, in state column I will write Karnataka. Okay, and I will run the query. See here, it has displayed all the employees from Karnataka. Okay, and again I will go in the design view and okay, if what I will do, enter city name. Okay, when I write this, it will ask me to enter the city name. Okay, enter. See here, it is asking me to enter the city name. So what I will do, I will press here Solapur. Okay, now it will display the result. Say just a minute. No, I have not entered the Solapur, so that's why it has displayed me like this. I will again go in the design view and again I will run and I will enter here Gulbarga. So yeah, it has displayed all the employees from Gulbarga. Okay, and I will save this query. Save. Close. Okay, I will give the, see when I run this query, it is asking me to enter the name. If I enter Bidar, see it has displayed the record employee of who belongs to the city Bidar. Okay, so what I will do, I will change the name of this query. Okay, query, what I will give, employee information by city query. Okay, and now we will see how to create the report. Okay, you just click on this table. For this I want to create the report. Go to the create. Can you see here it is a, you can just type the report here. If you just click on the report will be generated. Okay, here it would be better to select this report wizard. So which all fields you want, you just select it. Okay, here I need Okay, I will enter all these fields and I will go here next, and I want employee ID in ascending order. I will go next, and I want the data in tabular form, and I will go next. Here you select the, okay, and next, and you go to finish. So this is how our report has been generated. Can you see? You just go here in design view, you do some changes. Design view, okay, what I will do, is it do little big, okay, take this employee information table. I will give the name as employee information, employee report information, information, employee information report, okay. Go to report view. So this is how your report will be displayed, okay. This is how you can create the report. Okay girls, bye, thank you for watching my video.